I'd been wanting to do an overland Cayenne for some time.
Mike came to me and said, "Hey, Steve, can you do this?" And I'm like, "Sure."
Due to our area here in the Pacific Northwest, we figured we'd do more of an overland build.
So Mike and I got together and did a little research and found out where we can, get some suspension pieces. There's some pieces that we made ourselves. We have a tubular front bumper, and then we wanted to put some rock sliders on it. So I went out and got some sticks of steel and we made some rock sliders for it. And they turned out really good. They're mounted up underneath on all the factory mounts. Kind of ties in the whole look of the vehicle. We had our swing out tire carrier. It didn't look quite right. It had the tire just hanging off the back of the car. So we did a little cut and section on that and brought the tire in a little closer to the car just to make it look better. Plus it pulls that center of gravity on the tire and brings it right straight up and down on the carrier, so you don't have so much weight hanging off the back. Because the wheel and tire assemblies on those 35s, they're heavy.
We knew we wanted additional lighting. We knew we wanted a tent.
Had the guys do a wrap on it, and we wrapped the Porsche roof box.
Somewhat of a tribute to our Dakar Rally vehicle. This is going to be a Pacific Northwest overland vehicle.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Kendall, let's start something great.